Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to basically add an account on a PC, so that you just add an account on a PC. Yeah, and so first what you want to do is to go to run, and then, well, go to start and run, and then type in CMD, which stands for command prompt. So it's CMD, type that in, then type it in run, and then you want to press enter. So CMD, okay, and you should get something that looks like this. Then to add it, what you do is type in net user, net space user, and then space again, and like whatever you want your username to be, just type that in. And so I'm just gonna put in, since my bird's chirping a lot, I'm just gonna put in bird, and then space, and my password will be pass. I'm just gonna say pass. Simple. I don't really need this. This is an example. And you see, bird is the username and pass is the password. And then you space again after the password you typed in, and press slash, and then type in add right next to it. No space. Slash add. No space with add. That's all you need to put. So I'm just gonna copy this and go back to my command prompt and paste it. Hey bird, shut up! I'm sorry, but he just won't stop chirping. Anyway, we'll see how it works right here. Then you just press enter, and then it says the command completed successfully. That means you successfully added an account to it. And to make sure, if you don't believe me and you want to make sure that you have added an account, just type in net user, and then press enter, and it will show you the net users and users of the computer. And look, I administrator. You see bird, and so that means I've added the account if you find it there. So that's basically how you add an account to a computer. And so yeah, thanks for watching, and goodbye.